Yeah, hi everyone. So today we are trying to demonstrate some agentic loop. So mainly in this agentic loop, we are adding a perception and the decision making. So you can able to see the design. So whenever we do any query with our agent, it, it will first fetch the memory and then it will give the task to the perception. Perception will make a goal and those goals will be executed into our the memory or whatever we want to fetch it. So with that one, once we created a goal, it is executed the data, and if procession already have a data, then it will directly execute and provide it to the decision, and the decision will check and provide the complete output, and the real memory, whatever we are getting, that will be stored into the next call forwards. So there are the two things, the perception memory and there will be artifacts. So if the memory data size up to the 4K, it will be executed into the perception and more than that one will be going to the artifacts memory. So in our agentic loop, you can able to see the same thing we are doing it. So from here, once we started the for loop, first we will reading the data from the memory, whatever requests came. Then we are passing to the perception, and once the perception is creating a goal and we are executing goal one by one, and we are observing the data and passing to the decision loop. And once the decision loop have created the results, then we are adding our data appending into the history and continue. We are continuing the loop till we are not getting our final results. So we have four queries. Query number one, B, C1, C2, and D. So we will execute all the query one by one and then we will see the results. So here you will be able to see that marker is A for this query in which we are fetching data from the Wikipedia and we are trying to fetch the data of birth date, death date, and the three key contributes to the information query. The next query, it is slightly different. Find the three family-friendly things to do in the Tokyo weekend. Check Saturday weather forecast there and tell me which one is the most appropriate. The third query, there are the two parts. First part, we are just telling to the agent that my mom birthday on the 15th May 2026. Remember that and give me a calendar reminder for the 2 weeks before and on that day. And the second query, we just try to fetch that our agent is able to remember that one or not. So we are asking directly agent that when is my mom's birthday. The third query, the fourth query mainly, if you will see. So it is regarding that search for the Python asynchronous best practices. Take the top three result and give me a short number list of the advice they agree on. So we will run all the queries and we will see the results and final result that our controller, our agent is able to do all these things or not. So the first query I am passing into agent 6 and query is A, which we saw it. Let me make it bigger. So here we are using a gateway, LLM gateway v3. So every call it is passing to the different AI models which we are currently using it. There is a Gemini, NVIDIA, Grok. So you can see Gemini went to the cooldown period and their request is going to the Gemini. So our gateway will use different based on the request. You can see that Grok also it will use for the one request. and we got the final answer. You can see it is showing the birth date and the death date and the three key contributions. Now let me run the next query, query B. So which is the finding of 3-1. Let me go to that portal and we will try to see which one it will use. So currently it is searching that memory 0, it's there. So now it is fetching from the websites and it is try to search again into the memory read. So now it will able to get the memory read because we are running a first time. So that's why it is taking a multiple iteration. So once it will have a memory, then we will run the same query. It will take a lesser time. You can see it is using NVIDIA as well. It will use Grok as well, and it will use Gemini as well, and Cerberus as well. It is using. So we got the final answer for this one as well, and we can see based on the weather forecast in Tokyo, that Saturday 23rd, overcast seeing 18 degree and 1 hour of the sunshine. And the Sunday also it is showing the complete, and it is also showing the recommendations, indoor activities such as visiting museum, indoor themes, park, and all these things. So let me run quickly next two queries as well. For one is a C1 first. So you see, first it is running, try to remember it, and it is created a calendar. So now it's created successfully calendar reminders. So now when I will run the C2, it found it one hits into the memory. Now it is able to say the final answer. Now let me run the final query. So it is also got for the fourth one, complete final answer. So thank you.